Hey folks, it's Don from Gaining Strength, and I had a request for a video explaining how I made the platform that I use for, originally created for a platform for using body elastics bands, but then when I got my X3 bar, I used it for that as well. For some things I preferred it, and it's made out of wood. I'll show you how I did it now. Okay, like my calf block, it's really quite simple. You have two base boards of 2x4 about 2 feet long. This one is actually 2 feet long. This one's a little less than 2 feet long. I just used what I had already cut around the house. But if you go to get your wood at Lowe's or Home Depot or whatever, and you want them to cut, just get 2 foot long, two 2 foot long ones for the feet. Then the top consists of 6 1 foot long pieces. And then those are, just like with the calf block, they are glued. The 1 foot long pieces are glued and screwed to the 2 foot long pieces. As with the calf block, when I originally made this, I used the regular wood screws here, and I put them in on a diagonal like this, opposite diagonals on each side. You just measure, if you've got any woodworking skills at all, you measure diagonal and put the screws at equidistance from the edges. As with the calf block, I originally used just regular wood screws, but I found that I prefer these deck screws for this purpose. And as with the calf block, I drilled pilot holes in here before putting the screws in. And let's see, what else should I say about this? I didn't put any finish on it at all. I didn't find a need to. And I used the 2x4s because they're smooth around the edges and will not damage the bands. If you get 2x4s that got sharp edges, just use a file to take the sharp edge off here. But most 2x4s have a rounded edge already, so you won't have to do that. Again, I had used these boards. I had these boards arranged in a different fashion for a different type of platform originally. That's why there are these extra holes here. And when I got the idea for the band platform, I just took took these screws out and moved the board so that you have the space underneath. And of course, the band goes under here, up each side. And then you can attach it to handles, or it could be attached to your brute belt like I do for split squats and pistol squats, using bands to load your squats. And you can do any X3 bar platform with this. This platform's around 20 inches if I remember right. Let's look here. It is about 21 inches wide compared to the X3 bar platform, which if I remember right is 18 inches wide. So it gives a little bit more tension, also because this is 1.5 inches thick, whereas the X3 platform, you only have, I think it's 1/2 or 3/4 inch of thickness between the band and the top of the platform. So there it is. That's pretty simple. Almost anybody can make it if you even have the most rudimentary woodworking skills. So thanks for watching, and look for more DIY videos soon.